there at the bottom, so definitely these are water resistant hoodies, complicated. And then we got the Milwaukee section. I do recommend you guys go for the we got the best 2 deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That really does help out the channel. All right, let's start here. We got the portable corded spot cleaner in $79.98. Those are great for upholstery, especially for vehicles. You got a stick vacuum here from the Ryobi. It does use Ryobi batteries. This is $169 for the kit. Not bad at all. I heard nothing but good things about this one. You got this one from last year from the holiday season. I don't know why they still have it at $24. Nobody's going to buy that at $24, especially if they're going to have some more this year, right? All right, got the fan for $79. It's an 18-volt fan. I got a power inverter, 120 watts, so basic, really small stuff. $20 down from $24.98. You got the Cam Jam tie-down strap. Never heard of this brand. $24 is 6 feet, 2-pack. You got a 1x14 2-pack chrome. This is $20. And they are green, so that's pretty nice, pretty different from the rest. You got a Keeper heavy-duty combat ratchet, 3,330 pounds, or 33 pounds, $26 up from $30. Then you got these Camel, really nice thick handles, $20 down from $24. 16 feet, 4.9 meters. All right, some casters on clearance. Make sure you go check out your store, see if you see any of those casters. Those are great too, if bottom of toolboxes and benches and all that stuff. Got a 5-piece bimetal general purpose from the Diablo. Those are great blades. Got a flashlight spotlight, $91 up from $129. That's from the Makita. And then they still got the winter. So winter's around the corner, but it's already here basically. Not here, but it's already part of it. So you got some clothing here for the winter. Prepare yourself, obviously, with some protective equipment, including for the cold. Got some nice hoodies there at the bottom, so definitely check those out. And some nice gloves. Those are leather gloves with protected for your knuckles protection. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of those and get a free battery valued at $99. Those are still pretty good deals. Same thing with this, $249 for the mid-torque impact wrench. Get a free socket set there, $54.97 value. Those are excellent sockets. $249 for the guys. Wait on the holidays on those. Do not buy them because I'm pretty sure the holiday is gonna have a few of those. Not these though. This is a great deal. The holiday's not gonna have these, so get these while you can. The last few days actually. Those are all great tools to buy, especially that the transfer pump there, the stick transfer pump. You got $9.97 for these tie downs. These are light duty use. These are not heavy duty. These are 12x1. 500-pound capacity. You got a 4-piece combo kit here: impact driver, drill driver, oscillating tool. $319 down from $399 for that 4-tool combo kit. And then we got the Milwaukee section. It seems like Milwaukee's been hitting it hard on the depots, so they're trying to get the word out, I guess. But yeah, these are still very, very solid deals. I do recommend you guys go for the M12. Again, the dual bay charger there and that pack out. They are going to have a sale on it on Black Friday, so wait. You're planning, and same thing with those batteries. They're going to have a sale on the brand new forged batteries, so make sure you guys wait before you buy. You got the mud mixer here, concrete, $3,395. All right, so we went to another store because obviously there's not enough. Still a short video though. We got some batteries. You guys know the holidays around the corner. You're gonna need some batteries, flashlights, all kinds of stuff. $19.97 for the 60, and this is the 52 variety pack. This should be in every household or garage. All right, this is another store. We got the buy one get one free. So you buy that $399 start kit, get that $199 battery. That's a high output battery, and that's pretty much the deal that they got going on as of now before the holidays. And $143 on clearance, down from $229 for that radio. And guys, they are having those tumblers on clearance at the store, so make sure you guys double check it. Not at this store, but they do have them in some stores. They do got some really nice hoodies. These are water resistant hoodies. Really love the DeWalt, especially if you guys are into that. So if you don't like flashy DeWalt, you can buy this one. This one's a matte finish, like a matte DeWalt. And they does have some nice rubber thick letters there on both of those. So pretty nice. Definitely check those out. Guys, just a short video for today. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Also, don't forget to stay tuned because those deals are going to be dropping anytime soon. And when those deals drop, glitches drop, price glitches. That's it. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.